Kanyana treats about 50 animals a week. From that, a large proportion will be the very common species that we see around. So for birds, that would be magpies. For reptiles, that would be bobtails. For mammals, we see a lot of possums and bandicoots. Over the year, we'll do about 2,500 animals altogether. The animals we get here at Kanyana come from a wide variety of places. For instance, in the local area, most of the animals will come from people's gardens or in the bush. By far, the most will come from either a motor vehicle accident or a dog or a cat attack. We also get quite a few animals that are fly in, fly out from mine sites. Usually they're birds or perhaps some mammals. And then we get a lot of birds that will be pets that people have had that have escaped. So they come into us and we pick them back up and look for their home if we can. So there's a wide range of injuries that we deal with here at Kanyana. For instance, with the bobtails, it's quite often either motor vehicle accidents, so they'll be crushing injuries or internal injuries. However, if they have bobtail flu, then we use special treatments that were devised here at Kanyana, and that's nebulisation and antibiotic treatments and supportive treatment over a few weeks. So that's something specifically that Kanyana put together for these animals. For animals that are displaced or babies, usually they will have some internal injuries. Most of the time it's antibiotics or pain medication and long periods of supportive treatment just so that the animal can get itself back on its feet. And the most important thing that everybody gets treated with is rehydration, because every animal that comes here is usually always dehydrated. So that's one of the most important parts of their treatment. If the public finds an injured animal, the best and most important thing to do is make sure that you're safe first. So pull the car off the side of the road and make sure that you have safe conditions to look at the animal. The next thing you need to do is find a blanket, a towel, a t-shirt, or something that you can use to cover the animal, and some kind of box or container that you can put the animal in and keep it safe until you get to Kanyana. Then pick up the animal very carefully, put it in the box and keep it secure till you get here, making sure that you don't have the radio on in the car, that the children aren't making a lot of noise and the pets don't get anywhere near it. When you get to Kanyana, we will put you through a normal admission, the same as if you were to take someone to a hospital. And the most important things we need to know is where you find the animal, what time you found the animal, and what the conditions were, what you saw that may have happened to the animal. From there, we will do the best. You don't need to give the animal any fluids or any foods. All you need to do is make sure that it's quiet and dark and warm and get it to Kanyana, and we will do our best and get that animal back out again.